Hey friends, welcome back to a new vlog of Trip Dude. Let us explore the beautiful Kasol Park in this vlog. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and click on bell for more travel videos. This nature park is located in Kasol town itself. It has a beautiful garden and a lot of space with pine trees, children's park and a viewpoint of Parvati River. Check out video description to know about entry fee and timings. The park is an ideal place to stroll or jog under the shades of pine trees. Plan a visit here if you are in Kasol on a relaxing trip and searching for new places to visit. Please don't expect too much from this place. It is just a normal park with goodness of nature and the beautiful view of Parvati River.
Come on, you can. Come on. Yay! Someone will get the run. നടന്നോ
The park is very neat and clean and you'll get a lot of spots to take good photos. Visit here on your Kasol trip and let me know your opinion in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, share, subscribe and click on bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.